Good morning children, I am Ariba Anwar from Yash Convent Senior Secondary School, Sultanpur, and today I am here to teach you English grammar, a very interesting topic, and that is a noun. Children, I think you must be well aware about this term, noun. So what is noun children? Noun refers to the name of person, place, animal, thing, or sometimes a kind of feelings or emotions. Okay, this is regarded as a noun. Now let us see some of the examples of noun. So some of the examples of noun are, for example, Rahul stood first in the class. So here is the term Rahul is the name of a person, a name of a boy. So it is regarded as a noun. Now let's see another example of it. I live in Sultanpur. So here the word Sultanpur is the name of a city, okay, where we are living. So it is also a noun. Okay. Now see one more example of it. I have 2 pencils in my pencil box. So here children, pencil and pencil box, both are what? Both are things. Okay, and things are also regarded as a noun. So children, here we can see this is a noun and these are the few examples of noun. Now children, in today's video, the topics that we will cover here are the types of noun, and types of nouns, there are 2 types of nouns. The first one is proper noun, the other one is common noun. So now one by one let us discuss about both these nouns. So first of all we are going to discuss about the proper noun. Okay, so let us first of all understand what is proper noun. So children, proper noun is the name that is given to a particular person, place, animal, thing. Okay, here the word particular. Okay, मतलब हम सिर्फ उसी person के बारे में बात करेंगे. Let us see the example. It will be more clear from the example. For example, Rahul is a brilliant student. Okay, Rahul is a brilliant student. So in this sentence children, we are talking about a particular person and his name is Rahul, and we are indicating Rahul. So it is a proper noun. Alright, now see one more example. Capital of India is New Delhi. Capital of India is New Delhi. In this sentence, we are telling that the capital of India is New Delhi, and it is only one. It is a particular. We are indicating it. So New Delhi also comes in a proper noun. Now see one more example. I study in Yash Convent School. So in this sentence, children, we are saying that I study in Yash Convent School. We are indicating about a particular school. So here the Yash Convent School is also comes under the proper noun. I hope you all have understood by now what is proper noun. Now let us see one more topic, that is common noun. So children, common noun, a name that is used, okay, a name that is used commonly, okay, commonly for person, place or thing, okay. For example, boys are playing in the park. In this sentence, children, we are indicating boys and it is common for all the boys, children, okay, it is common for all of them. So boys come under the common noun, okay. Now let us see one more example of it. Teacher is teaching in the classroom, okay. So in this sentence, children, we are telling that teacher is teaching in the classroom. We are not saying that particular teacher, that we are not saying the name of the particular teacher. We are saying that teacher is teaching, and that is why it is common for all the teacher. So we will indicate it in a which noun? Common noun. I hope, children, you all have understood by now that what is common noun and proper noun, okay. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.